Hello everyone, in this video we will know the total number of binary operations that can be formed on a set A. Alright, so suppose A is a set that has some elements, suppose n elements. I will take the cardinality of A is n, means there are total n elements in the set A. Alright, now what is binary operation? From the very definition of binary operations, you know that binary operation is a function f mapped from A cross A to A, right? You know this? Now what is this A cross A? This is the Cartesian product of the set A, and you know what kinds of elements are going to be present in A cross A? They are going to be the ordered pairs, A comma B kinds of pairs, right? And now what is your binary operation doing? It's simply a function that is mapped from A cross A to A, means A comma B kinds of ordered pairs are going to be converted into some elements of A. Suppose C belonging to A. Alright, so this is your binary operation. Right? Suppose there is a ordered pair 5, 3 belonging to A cross A, and suppose your binary operation is plus. So simply it's going to give you 8, right? 8 also belongs to A. This is the fundamental of binary operations. Now the very basic thing, the very definition of binary operations is going to be used in order to find the total number of operations that must be present. Now you see, what is this mapping? This is some A cross A, the domain is A cross A and the codomain is A. Now you know it's a function. What is this binary operation? It's simply a function. Alright, now the total number of binary operations means the total number of functions from this domain to this codomain. Now I guess you are getting an idea what I am going to do next. See, so we just have to find the total number of functions. Okay, so you know when there is a function and the codomain, you know the number of elements in the domain and codomain, then what is the total number of function? It is simply, suppose there are n elements in this and m elements in this. So now you know that the total number of function mapped from A cross A to A is n to the power n, right? You already know this. So easily you can do this now. You know the cardinality of A is what? N, right? And cardinality of A cross A is going to be what? Cardinality of A into cardinality of A, right? It's going to be n square. Got it? Now the total number of function is what? A cross A. Now you look at this. This is what? The total number of function is what? N to the power n square. As simple as that. So this is your answer. What we did? In order to find the total number of binary operations, we use the very basic fundamental of the binary operations. What is it? It's a function mapped from A cross A to A. Now we found the total number of functions that can be made. So what is that? N to the power n square. Alright. Now suppose there is a set S that has elements A, B, C, D. Alright. Now you are asked to find the total number of binary operations on S. Now we have to find the total number of binary operations that can be formed on the elements of set S. As simple, what are we going to do? We know S has the elements, S has 4 elements, right? And what is S cross S going to have? 4 into 4, right? It's going to be 16. Now you very well know that what are the binary operations? They are the total number of functions. So therefore the total number of binary operation is 4 to the power 16, right? How? You know your binary operation is a function mapped from S cross S to S, right? It's like this. You know S has 16 elements. How? Cartesian product S cross S means 4 into 4. The cardinality of S cross S is 16, right? And total number of elements in S set is what? Total number is 4, right? So obviously you know the total number of function is going to be 4 to the power 16. So this is going to be the total number of binary operations, because binary operation is what? Ultimately a function only which is mapped from S cross S to S. So it's very easy to do. Okay, here find the total number of binary operations on a set containing all primes less than 15. Alright, so suppose there is a set A, it contains all the primes less than 15. So what it is going to contain? 2, 3, 5, 7, 7, 9, 10, 11, 11 then 13, 13, right? So total number of elements in A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so total number of element in A cross A is 6 into 6, which is 36. So total number of binary operation is equal to 6 to the power 36. Alright. So this is your answer. So this is how you are going to find the total number of binary operations, and using this fundamental you are going to solve all the other questions. And usually the questions from this part are asked in 1 marks, 2 marks, and mostly MCQs kind of questions are made from this part. Alright, thank you.